Tooth, brush. Toothbrush? Toothbrush. Tiny broom for your teeth. Mail, box. Mailbox? Mailbox. A house for lonely letters. Light, house. Lighthouse? Lighthouse. A big lamp for lost ships. Rain, bow. Rainbow? Rainbow. The sky showing off colors. Sea, shell. Seashell? Seashell. The beach's little souvenir. Back, pack. Backpack? Backpack. A bag riding your shoulders. Snow, man. Snowman? Snowman. A frozen guy with no job. Fire, place. Fireplace?
Bruh.
Fireplace. A safe indoor campfire spot. Basket, ball. Basketball? Basketball. Bounce it, throw it, miss it. Sun, glasses. Sunglasses? Sunglasses. Cool armor for your eyes. Hair, brush. Hairbrush? Hairbrush. A tiny rake for hair. Moon, cake. Mooncake? Mooncake. A snack shaped like moon pride. Play, ground. Playground? Playground. Where kids spend all their energy. Rail, road. Railroad? Railroad. A road only trains understand. Pine, cone. Pine cone? Pine cone. A tree's crunchy little grenade. Black, board. Blackboard? Blackboard. A wall teachers love attacking. Tooth, pick. Toothpick? Toothpick. A tiny sword for food crumbs.